Hi and welcome to my review of the Wera Kraftform Compact W1 maintenance kit. Okay, so this kit comes in a fairly sturdy textile box with a decent Velcro strap. And I'm going to go through and look at the different parts which you get in it. So firstly, you've got these screwdriver blades. You've got 2 posi, 2 Phillips, 4 Torx blades and 4 flat blades of varying sizes. Now I do quite like the design of these because if you notice they're tapered to the size of the head. So which means you can get them into a gap as small as the tip, which I think is a really nice design idea. So these all lock into their Kraftform handle. So this word that Wera use, Kraftform, it's kind of at the centre of what they do. They try and make the tools which are as practical to use and as ergonomic in design as possible. And I'd say they do that quite well. It feels right in your hand. It's not clumsy, and it locks in easily. And it's just as quick to remove as well. To use with the screwdriver, you have this. So when I saw this in the kit before I bought it, I didn't really know what it was. It's a screw holder. I thought, I'm never going to use something like that. But if you can't get to an area that you need to put a screw in with a battery drill, then this can come in pretty handy. And this is how it works. So you take this attachment, slide it onto the end of the blade until it's like that. You take your screw, place it in there like so, and that actually holds it really surprisingly well. And then that allows you to then screw that in. Okay, moving on to this. They call it the Zyklop. So along with the screwdrivers, this is the main reason I bought this kit. I've got a 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch drive socket sets, but this just looks like a really handy tool. So it comes with this attachment. Press the button on the back to unlock it, down to move the angle. It locks at 90 degrees, offset, and then you straight drive through. To change drive direction, you turn this one, and to unlock, you push up and remove the bit. This makes it a really handy, versatile tool. Here you also have this selection of sockets. You've got this one to begin with, which would hold your bit holder for your screw bits, your screwdriver bits there. Sockets 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now what I like about these is they're colour coded, and Wera stay consistent with throughout their brand that a 13 will always be green, just as it's green with the 13 open-end spanner. Now this open-end spanner, if you haven't seen these before, are Wera's Joker wrenches. You should also maybe check out a review I did of these. But this one here, you have a 10 and a 13mm open-end spanner. So they have this backing plate on the back here, which allows you to lock a nut in the top and it won't fall through. So it will hold it. It'll also tighten and not slip off if you lock it in at that angle. The final part of this kit is this here, the electrical screwdriver, which will light up when it comes into contact with live voltage. So there's lots of handy, commonly used tools in this kit. So you can see they've built it to try and meet most people's needs. They're never going to suit everyone, but I think they did a pretty good job. What I do like about the kit is the fact that everything's got its place, but especially it stays secure in there. You're not going to find next time you get it out that bits are not where they should be. Everything fits securely and snug in place. So there we have it, the Wera Kraftform Compact W1 maintenance kit.